All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Coach Micheal Burt out on a bike ride this morning. Nice and brisk here in Tennessee. I like these fall mornings, folks. If you live somewhere else in the world, I like these fall mornings in Tennessee. So I got my bike, I'm out riding, I'm out listening. I'm out activating my prey drive, which is instinct to pursue. I probably woke up just like you did, man. It's cold, it's dark, you don't want to get out of bed. Right? You got to get up, you got to get moving, and you got to activate that prey drive. Now, one of my clients was texting me a minute ago and had a great question. He was asking me about another guy who was investing a lot of money in something. And he said, how does that guy sleep at night? How does that guy sleep at night knowing he's investing that much money into things that may or may not return? And I spent a lot of time thinking about this. Where does your confidence come from? Confidence being the memory of success. If you've won before, you know you can win again. But your confidence is tied up in helping other people reach their future. Okay, now let me say that again. Your confidence that you can create is tied up in your ability to help other people reach their future. Okay, so we're going to be doing an event today in Nashville at Gaylord Opryland, an insurance event, and I'm letting my people on my team going, and I'm like, each one of you need to get 10 contacts. You need to walk out of there with at least 30 contacts on 200 or 300 people. Okay, and what you need to locate is their ambition, their goals, their dreams. Your confidence is tied up in your ability to help other people reach their ambitions or solve their problems. Okay, and once you figure out how to do this, we teach this in our coaching program, Monster Producer, how to initiate, how to connect, how to locate a problem. Good morning, Brian. How to offer a compelling solution, how to invite people to something. And then if I had to say an area everybody needs to work on is actually converting the interest to an action, Todd Taylor. This would be called closing in the business world, Daniel Hodges. It's not just locating a person's desire and ambition. It's actually showing them a direct path and how you are uniquely qualified to help them with that ambition. And that's what selling is, folks. So why does it break down? It breaks down because you don't talk to enough people. It breaks down because you don't locate their problems. It breaks down because you don't follow up and convert. It breaks down because you're afraid to ask the closing questions. It breaks down because, man, it's easy to figure out where the sales cycle breaks down, but it starts by breaking down by you getting shaky on your confidence. And the confidence comes from you are uniquely qualified to help them. Okay, so if you're out there today and you're a little shaky on your confidence, man, go locate problems in other people and help them reach those dreams. And they'll give you money, right? If you help other people reach their dreams, they'll give you money, and you'll always have money. Now, the second thing, Insurance Princess, is so important is the follow-up. Okay, follow up and conversion. Generate leads, follow up and convert. Generate leads, follow up and convert. Generate leads, follow up and convert. And keep going, and keep going, and keep going. The pro just keeps going, folks. Okay, I'm Coach Micheal Burt. I believe everybody needs a coach in life. I'm going to be in Nashville today at the Gaylord, right? I'm going to be, I got Brad Lee this weekend at my lodge, 9-figure brand. If still tickets available, if you want to get in the room, be small and intimate. And we're going to help you build a 9-figure brand. But more than anything, I want to help you build that confidence. All right, you guys have a great day. Everybody needs a coach in life. Let's go. Being a monster is about taking your purpose and distributing it to the world in a very, very high level.
What do you want people to say about your business? What do you want to be known as in 5 years?
And your journey as an entrepreneur is not to achieve this or that. Your journey as an entrepreneur is to become this or that. Because in life, you get who you are.
The more relationships you get, the more money you get. Then the more money you get, the more relationships you get. It just keeps going back and forth. You guys want to surround yourself with high net worth individuals, and you will eventually become one. Why? Because of the relationship.
Today, some of you are going to take some action that is going to propel you into the future so much that you don't recognize the person you look forward to later.
If you don't build your dreams, somebody is going to hire you to build theirs.
How many times have you failed? Fail again. Who cares? Just keep failing. Keep failing. You only have to be right one time.
People are counting on you to show up. They're counting on you to grow up. They're counting on you to deliver. They're counting on you to be the best you can be for you. Because if you ain't the best for you, you ain't gonna be the best for anybody else, folks.